Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to make an airplane. And you need, I'm using printer paper, A4 paper. You guys can use square if you want, but I'm using printer, it's more easier. Okay, I'll show you. Firstly, you take this edge, right? Fold, no. Firstly, you get this edge, fold it like this. Then make a center crease. Get your thumb, drag it across really hard. Just don't want to rip your paper. And then, so you should have that. And then unfold it like this. And then fold it, get the top part, fold it down like the shape of a triangle. Like this. So, and then get the other side and do the same. And then you should have that. And then get this side, fold it to the crease. And then it should be like that. Like that. And then do the same to the other side. Fold it against the crease. Like that. And you should have that. And then you want to fold it like this. Like that. And get this bit here, this one. Fold it down. Until the edge of the page, or the edge of the bottom, like this. And do the same to the other bit. So you should have like this and this. And then take that, do this, and then fold it up like this. Like that. Yep, like that. And then get it like this. It should be like, oh, sorry. Like that. It should be like that. Okay. Now for testing. See how far it goes. Here you go, guys. I'll show you. Okay. Show you how far it goes. Ready? And so that went to the edge. So like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.